Welcome back to my crypto channel. In today's video, we have some exciting news to share about the upcoming launch of the new Drip website on Thursday, June 1st. But before we delve into the details, I'd like to ask you to kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my video updates. Brace yourself for the much-awaited Drip website launch happening this Thursday. We have been waiting for many months for the major overhaul of the Drip user interface and groundbreaking features like the immersive onboarding process, new ways to participate in the Faucet contract, and an exhilarating game that will incentivize you to join and engage. This exciting update will attract more people and fresh capital, fostering a vibrant and thriving community. Let's dive deeper into these game-changing features. In the new system, Drip tokens are sent to the tax vault where they can't earn compound interest. This keeps the focus on active participation and engagement. Forex also included a thrilling competition and gaming function. Users can compete to become the biggest depositor, and here's the best part, it happens every 4 hours, providing a constant sense of motivation and excitement. While some features may already exist in the market, Forex has taken them a step further. Unlike other platforms, Forex replaced the daily reward spike with distributed rewards throughout the day, eliminating predictable dumping patterns. Now, let's talk about the deposit process. With the new Drip Drop Draw product, you have multiple options. If you deposit Drip tokens from your wallet, you receive tickets representing chances to win a large stake. For every $1 of Drip you deposit, you get a ticket. Alternatively, if you prefer using BNB or BUSD, you can swap them for Drip and then deposit. Plus, you earn bonus tickets for bringing fresh capital to the platform. It's important to note that selling your Drip to BNB, BUSD for the Drip Drop Draw system may not be as profitable due to taxes incurred during the conversion. However, when you send your Drip directly to the tax vault, you receive 2 tickets for every $1 of Drip used. This is because your Drip is placed securely in the tax vault, where compounding is not possible. Let's explore how to connect your wallet to the Drip app. Forex made it easy for new users to onboard the platform. Newbies will be guided through all the steps, showing you how to create a Metamask wallet, add BSC, and even purchase BNB using the new fiat on-ramp. Once you're connected, you'll find a list of potential buddies. Each buddy's team size, deposited amount, and the number of airdrops are displayed. The top buddy addresses are determined by the amount of Drip sent directly to the tax vault. To encourage commitment and recognize your dedication to the protocol, there is a weekly contest hosted. By sending Drip directly to the tax vault, the user with the highest amount each week tops the influencer leaderboard. It's like having your very own marketing billboard. Plus, the largest Drip sender also gets a chance to win 1,000 BUSD. Get ready to mark your calendars. The grand launch is scheduled for Thursday, June 1st, around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But before that, on Tuesday, Forex will present the working site on the Stunner Breezy YouTube channel, giving you a sneak peek into the future of Drip. I also wanted to let you know that I maxed out my second Drip wallet, which is the team wallet for the Dripaholics team. This means that I will no longer be able to send airdrops from there. To keep the Dripaholics team alive and kicking and keep sending you free Drip every Sunday, I have created a brand new Drip account. If you want to join my new team, please create a new account in your Metamask, Rabbi, Trust or any other wallet, and use my buddy address which is below in the description. I hope to welcome you soon to the new Dripaholics team. Download my Dripaholics guide if you want to see all the steps again from my website. I will also leave the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more updates. Have a great day.